All right, let's start. Priyanka, you were thoroughly missed on the last conversation.
Yes.
Okay,
I
but I hope
think, yeah.
I understand that there was a meeting at office. Um, so before we start out, any questions up till now? Any thoughts before we have the next set of speeches? Excuse me, next set of conversations and what's in store for us today? Go ahead. अब तक के कोई सवाल?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Priyanka, Sheetal?
No, sir.
No.
Okay. Now, help us, take a moment and help us up till now. तीन क्या चीजें आपको लगता है इन सेशन से आपने? Yep. Anyone?
Yes. First thing that I learned, every speech should have three components: ethos, pathos, and logos. That is the most important thing I have learned, and I learned many things about presentation. It should have less content, and it should have more of graphical and pictorial representation. And the message should be clear. We should not go round and round for a long time, but the message should be clear. The takeaway should be very clear.
Excellent.
And third point, that was for when you are giving or delivering your speech, your focus should be the people. So you should manage your people or the audience very well. You should connect with them. Interaction, the session should be interactive, very well interactive. You should improve your body language as well while delivering any speech.
Absolutely.
Three prime
Thanks.
things.
Yeah. Thanks, Priyanka. Thank you so much. Sheetal, Parth?
Sir, according to me, 3 points are that first of all, the speech should not be boring. It should be interactive and interesting, and it should be according to the age groups. And second, that Priyanka also told that ethos, pathos, and logos. That 3 points have an important role in a public speech, so they should be used. And third is the facial expression and starting with smile.
All right, perfect. Thank you so much. And what's commendable that over the last 6-7 sessions, one, I want to compliment all of you in terms of sincerity and in terms of practicing what has been given to you as a homework. कि videos देखिए, practice कीजिए and understand that. So thank you very much for sharing that. Thanks, Sheetal. Parth, आप बताइए. What about you?
So first of all, I've gained a lot of confidence. Now, during phone calls or something, I can feel that I'm confident and I'm putting my words very means. Now I'm putting very good words to them. I can carry on the conversation easily. And sir, and I have learned how to speak publicly with confidence. That we should have a smile on our face. We should be interactive with audience. We should involve audience in our speech, and the content should be less, but you should say more about the content.
Absolutely. For example, जैसे आप खाना बांटने जाते हो लोगों के पास, you can always hold on to the mic and make public announcements there. That's a good start. आपकी बात सुनते सुनते मेरे दिमाग में ख्याल आया कि that is one. कौन से words आप highlight करोगे? Parth, Priyanka, Sheetal, are we clear?
Yes,
sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
आपके पास 90 seconds हैं. Take any page जो आपके सामने रखा हुआ है and take a pencil and go through it at underline words जिसको आप वो पेज रीड करते वक्त हाईलाइट करोगे. Are we clear?
Yes.
आपका टाइम शुरू होता है अब. Go. You have 90 seconds.
Sir, we have to read one paragraph or one page.
One page. Go with one page, Sheetal. कोई भी पेज आप चुन लीजिए जो कंफर्टेबल है आपको एंड अंडरलाइन वर्ड जो शीतल पढ़ते वक्त हाईलाइट करेगी नेचुरली. क्लियर? गो. चलिए, let's do it. Thank you. Okay, Parth, let's start with you. Please read out the script. Now what I'm requesting, energy and excitement and voice modulation उन words पे जिनको आप stress करना चाहते हो. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Sheetal and Priyanka, please listen to the entire script and tell us what's the difference, what was interesting for you, or again कहाँ improvement की गुंजाइश है. Priyanka, Sheetal, are we good?
Yes.
Parth, You have exactly 2 minutes, Parth. Go ahead.
The White Tiger. The White Tiger is the story of Balram Halwai. Halwai lives as a self-declared self-entrepreneur. The rickshaw driver's son who successfully climbed Indian's social ladder to become the Chafford and later a successful businessman. Balram recounts on his life story in a letter of visiting Chinese official premium Ben Jiabao with the goal of educating the premium about leadership about the entrepreneurship in India. Balram writes from his luxurious office in the city of Bangalore, but the story begins in his rural ancestors' village of Lakshmangarh. Throughout his childhood, Balram
Parth, stop. You're struggling with the words, and I see the voice modulation is not really happening right now, Parth.
Yes, sir.
So I would request you to take a couple of minutes. Let Sheetal and Priyanka do it.
Okay, sir.
Take a couple of minutes. Ki kaun se words, for example, Balram is an important word. He's a central character of the story, isn't it? Village's name, and go slow, Parth. The
Okay,
pause is also very important as you're sharing the story. जब आप बात कर रहे होते हैं, अगर आप बहुत ज्यादा तेज बोलेंगे तो सामने वाले को बात समझ में नहीं आती है. Do we agree? And I would want to see more excitement coming from your face.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Smile
Yes, sir.
as you are narrating your story. It shows that you are interested in your own story.
Okay, sir.
Clear? So this is something, Parth, I'm going to coach you and I'm going to really challenge you in terms of taking it one notch up.
Yes,
Yeah?
sir.
So as we listen to Sheetal and Priyanka, reflect on what I've just shared, because मुझे अब ये चाहिए आपसे.
Yes, sir.
Priyanka, would you like to give it a try?
Yes.
Perfect. Sheetal, then we'll come to you. Go ahead. Go ahead, Priyanka.
Carrots and sticks. Manipulation versus inspiration. There is barely a product or service on the market today that customers cannot buy from someone else for about the same price, about the same quality, about the same level of service, and about the same feature. If you truly have a first mover's advantage, it will probably be lost in a matter of months. If you offer something truly novel, someone else will soon come up with something similar and maybe even better.
Well done.
But if you ask most businesses why their customers are their customers, most will tell you it is because of their superior quality, features, prices, or service. In other words, most companies have no clue why their customers are their customers. This is a fascinating realization. If companies don't know why their customers are their customers, if they don't know why their employees are their employees either, then how will they be able to attract them? The reality is most businesses today are making decisions based on a set of incomplete or worse, completely flawed assumptions about what's driving their business. There are only two ways to influence human behavior. You can manipulate it or you can inspire it. When I mention manipulation, this is not necessarily pejorative. It is very common and fairly tactic. In fact, many of us have been doing it since we were very young. I will be your best friend. This is a highly effective negotiation tactic employed by generations of children to obtain something they want from a peer. And as any child who has ever handed over candy hoping for a new best friend will tell you, it works. From business to politics, manipulations run rampant in all forms of sales and marketing. Typical manipulation include dropping the price, running a promotion, using fear, peer pressure, or aspirational messages, and promising innovation to influence behavior, be it a purchase, a vote, or a support. When companies
Thanks, Priyanka. Thank you. Let's give her a round of applause, please. Well done, Priyanka. Parth and Sheetal, feedback for Priyanka. What did you notice?
So the modulation, so we can know that where she was giving the stress as modulation was there, and the way she was speaking like in flow, and it's like she was narrating a story.
Thank you. Parth.
Priyanka, you were speaking very slowly and nicely, and voice modulation.
Words correctly,
we
Parth?
can feel that. No, sir, not correctly, but yeah, a little. I've heard.
Okay. Now, one of the things, and this is something which is very important. As you're narrating these words, very important that the words come out correctly. That's the very critical part of voice modulation. Second is pausing at the right time. Like full stops and commas पे अगर आप pause नहीं कर रहे हैं, the audience will not be able to catch what you're trying to communicate. And what are the consequences? Let's say if you're sharing something like a financial market term or a technical term. सामने वाले को पता नहीं होता है to understand what you're meaning. Till the time you make it very simple and you stress on these words. Very important. That's why modulation, pausing at the right time is a good idea. Are we clear? So Priyanka, well done. My only request on a longer term, try and neutralize the accent as much as possible. That is something which will really hold you in good stead. You know, all of us have accents. My accent probably. That is something which will really hold you in good stead. You know, all of us have accents. My accent probably is a little Punjabi. But make it as neutral as possible so that people don't find it difficult to understand. That's my only request. All right. Homework for everyone before we listen to Sheetal and Parth. Please watch out on YouTube for videos on voice modulation. How do people do it? So that's a recommendation, critical aspect, and I want people to practice this before tomorrow's session. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
This is going to be something which that is something which will really hold you in good stead. You know, all of us have accents. My accent probably is a little Punjabi. But make it as neutral as possible so that people don't find it difficult to understand. That's my only request. All right. Homework for everyone before we listen to Sheetal and Parth. Please watch out on YouTube for videos on voice modulation. How do people do it? So that's a recommendation, critical aspect, and I want people to practice this before tomorrow's session. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
This is going to be something which I would encourage and I would like to see in all of our personalities, expressions, voice modulation as we go along. So watch out for as many videos as possible and see which one you can use in your own way. Okay. Let's say for example, Priyanka, you making a presentation in front of your senior audience. Sheetal, आप college में presentation दे रहे हो. Parth, आप college में presentation दे रहे हो. People would want somebody who's very expressive. Isn't it?
Yes.
If you can express yourself properly, you'll have more chances of people liking you and connecting with you. That's why it's very important. Clear? Thank you.
Yes.
Sheetal, Parth would like to go in next.
Sir, I can go.
Go ahead, Sheetal. Go ahead. All right, Sheetal, let's listen to Sheetal for 2.5 minutes. Go ahead.
Fall 1952. So then, you want a story and I will tell you one, but just one. Don't either of you ask me for more. It's late and we have a long day of travel ahead of us. Pari, you and I. You will need your sleep tonight. And you too, Abdul. I am counting on you, boy. While your sister and I are away, so is your mother. Now one story. Listen. Listen. Both of you listen well and don't interrupt. Once upon a time, in our days when thieves and jinns and giants roamed the land, there lived a farmer named Baba Ayub. He lived with his family in a little village by the name of Madan Saab. Because he had a large family to feed, Baba saw his days consumed by hard work. Every day he labored from dawn to sundown, plucking his field and turning the soil, tending to his gar at pit pistachio trees. At any given moment, you could spot him in his field, bent at the west, back as curved as sight.
Priyanka, stop. Sorry, Sheetal, stop. The words that you are having difficulty pronouncing, underline those words. Look for these words. Kinko pronounce kaise karte hain? I think the word that you missed out on was pistachio.
Yes, sir.
Pistachio is pista.
Yes, sir.
The full form for pistachio is, the short form of pistachio is pista. Pista, badam and all that. Okay? So,
Sir, I have searched. In fact, I have written the pronunciation in Hindi also.
okay.
But then too, I'm having problem to pronounce.
Doesn't matter. So, जो ऐसे words आते हैं ना, शीतल, go absolutely slow. And this is for everyone. Any word that you find difficult, when you realize, if it is difficult for me to pronounce, imagine difficult for audiences to understand that. Are we clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So as you are going through the script, understand यहाँ पर मुझे ये word explain करने में होता क्या है, आप words को कभी-कभी ज़्यादा stretch करते हो. So as you're speaking, make it more conversational and yet stress on important words. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So then what will happen is, as you practice this, your conversations will become more crisper. And okay, thought for everyone, please note it down. You will give a speech to yourself or to your friend at home or to your family, whoever you're comfortable with, and you will record your conversation, your speech, your 2-minute talk, and you will listen to it and share kahan sahi tha, 3 positives. Where did you modulate the voice? Where did you find energy and excitement? And you will share it with us tomorrow during our session.
I've never heard stories.
Heard? So remember story. Okay, any story narrated by our parents or grandparents when we were growing up. Yes or no?
They used to articulate. They used to show the shape of animals and
Isn't it?
the horror. Yes.
More than the story, it was the narration that really helped us to remember the story. Yes or no?
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
So when you're using hand, when you're using gestures, when you're using modulation, all of these aspects are very important to sharing presentation. Look at leaders. They use some of their hands, expressions, smile, and so on and so forth when you're sharing the story. Do we agree?
Yes.
And that's what I would really challenge all of us. When you're sharing your story, smile and feel good about the story. पार्थ, अगर आप ही खुश नहीं होंगे अपनी स्टोरी बता करके, या शीतल आप ही खुश नहीं होंगे, तो दूसरा कैसे खुश होगा? वो कहेंगे यार इनको खुद को कन्विक्शन नहीं है अपनी स्टोरी पे, हम कैसे कन्विंस हो जाए?
Yes, sir.
So I have to also push myself. It's very important that you feel good about it, you stretch yourself. Are we clear?
Yes.
So
Yes,
very
sir.
important. Please take it as homework. I would request you to stretch yourself, show energy, excitement, use your hands and gestures as you are preparing this 2-minute talk, and share, and you'll share it with us come tomorrow. Please take it down somewhere so that you don't forget it. Take 20-30 seconds. Please note it. What's been the learning from this exercise?
How we can make our story more interesting.
Okay.
Sir, how putting sir, how 1 minute, sir, I'll tell.
Right?
I'm not getting that word.
Using a pause and intonation, articulation, proper articulation, and whenever stress on words, that is where we need to put stress on. It is very needed whenever we are trying to convince the people in front of us. And we have to own our story, then we can make people believe on the story.
Excellent. Okay. Thank you. Thanks very much. Very, very important. Priyanka, very rightly said by you. It is very important कि अपनी स्टोरी पर खुद को विश्वास होना चाहिए. अर्थ वर्ड आया दिमाग में?
Yes, sir.
बताइए.
So putting the stress on a proper word can simply change the meaning of your sentence.
Absolutely right, sir. You practice it, you will notice the difference.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sheetal? Alrighty then. All right. Let's move forward, people. And so few pointers for us to work on as we move forward. Give me one moment. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Yes.
Few pointers for us to move on. I want to share certain principles with you as you go along. Okay. These are certain principles that I would request as you become confident. I want to discuss these principles with you. Priyanka, help us with the first one.
Don't criticize, condemn, or complain.
Okay. Now, what does this principle mean? यार जब मैं गलतियां नहीं ढूंढूंगा तो मैं इम्प्रूव कैसे करूंगा? तो इस प्रिंसिपल को हम क्यों डिस्कस कर रहे हैं? डोंट क्रिटिसाइज, कंडेम और कंप्लेन. व्हाई?
Because we have to convince to people.
Sheetal, louder please.
So because we have to convince to people, so how if we will complain, then we will be not convinced, and so how people will be convinced.
Okay, thanks. Priyanka? Parth?
But criticizing is important, right? I am not getting it, because if I don't get my mistake, then how will I improve? So maybe through this, what they are trying to make it like, take it on a positive note. Don't criticize, but take it as a constructive compliment. So you work on it. Not criticizing or complaint, we don't have it, but overcome your shortcomings.
Have you ever noticed colleagues at work who constantly criticize, condemn, and complain?
They criticize or complain.
Who do you find better to hang out with? Someone who's constantly criticizing or complaining, or someone who's more constructive, who's more positive?
Obviously, who is constructive.
Absolutely. Someone who focuses more on the strengths rather than weaknesses.
Yes.
Isn't it? That's what this principle is. And I picked it up from Dale Carnegie's 21 principles. How to win friends and influence people. That's where these principles are picked up from. And that's very important. पार्थ, प्रियंका एंड शीतल, आप किसी से भी मिलते हैं, पहले कम से कम उनके 2 या 3 पॉजिटिव्स आप उनको गिनाएं. बिलीव यू मी, पीपल वुड लाइक यू फॉर अ वेरी वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. अगर सोचिए आप तीनों में या मैं आपकी सिर्फ गलतियां ढूंढूं और आप कॉन्स्टेंटली कंप्लेन, ये ठीक नहीं है, वो ठीक नहीं है, कैसा लगेगा आप? And that's one of the reasons people move on from jobs, because bosses just constantly complain. Never possible. And believe you me, for your own health, it's very important that you stay positive and share positive vibes with others. So it's very important that before you find faults, before you probably become a little negative, stay positive. Priyanka, I think you have a question.
Not now. Not now.
You can ask it now. That's absolutely fine. This is where we reflect and we ask questions and we move forward.
But sometimes, like, you have to. So you cannot overlook the negative thought or overlook the work if it is not done properly, or
yeah.
So then you have to criticize, right?
Okay. So understand this, Priyanka. One, what are the consequences of criticizing someone?
Maybe next week repeat the same mistake.
That's because more often than not, what happens? This criticism sounds very personal. Do we agree?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
तो तुमसे गलती हो गई. प्रियंका कैसे गलती? Honestly, sincerely.
And we should not fake the appreciation.
Absolutely right. Third one, Parth.
Arouse in the other person an eager want.
What does that mean? Arouse in the other person an eager want.
The person should feel the need of doing the task that has been assigned to.
Brilliant. Brilliant.
So,
and it comes down to, sorry, Priyanka, go ahead.
So it's the way of, if I'm not wrong, to inspire them rather than just to command them. to do
Excellent.
something.
Excellent point. Excellent. Absolutely right, Priyanka. अगर मैं आप में वो जिज्ञासा जगा दूं that this task is very important for you, believe you me, you will want to do that task and put energy behind that task. Do we agree?
Yes.
And not just once, again and again and again. It's very